When did the Indus Valley civilization flourish? Option is A. 5000 to 3000 BCE, B. 3000 to 1500 BCE, C. 1500 to 500 BCE, D. None. Answer is option B. 3000 to 1500 BCE.
The Maurya Empire was founded by, option is A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Ashoka the Great, C. Bindusara, D. Chandragupta II. Answer is option A. Chandragupta Maurya.
Who was the first Muslim ruler to invade India? Option is A. Mahmud Ghazni, B. Muhammad bin Qasim, C. Taimur, D. Babur. Answer is option B. Muhammad bin Qasim.
The Bhakti movement in medieval India was primarily associated with, option is A. The worship of Shiva, B. The worship of Vishnu, C. The worship of Brahma, D. The worship of Kali. Answer is option B. The worship of Vishnu.
Who built the famous Sanchi Stupa? Option is A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Kanishka, D. Harsha. Answer is option A. Ashoka.
The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Option is A. 1757, B. 1761, C. 1857, D. 1947. Answer is option A. 1757.
Who was the first Governor General of British India? Option is A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Warren Hastings, D. Lord William Bentinck. Answer is option C. Warren Hastings.
The Indian National Congress was founded in, option is A. 1857, B. 1885, C. 1905, D. 1947. Answer is option B. 1885.
Who led the Dandi March during the Indian independence movement? Option is A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Subhas Chandra Bose, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi.
The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which city? Option is A. Amritsar, B. Lahore, C. Delhi, D. Mumbai. Answer is option A. Amritsar.
Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Option is A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru.
The partition of India and Pakistan occurred in which year? Option is A. 1945, B. 1947, C. 1950, D. 1962. Answer is option B. 1947.
The First War of Indian Independence Sepoy Mutiny broke out in which year? Option is A. 1800, B. 1857, C. 1905, D. 1942. Answer is option B, 1857.
Who was the last Viceroy of India? Option is A. Lord Mountbatten, B. Lord Curzon, C. Lord Irwin, D. Lord Wavell. Answer is option A. Lord Mountbatten.
The slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was given by, option is A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Sardar Patel, D. Indira Gandhi. Answer is option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri.
The Jamidari system was abolished under which Prime Minister's regime? Option is A. Indira Gandhi, B. Rajiv Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer is option A. Indira Gandhi.
The emergency was declared in India in the year, option is A. 1971, B. 1980, C. 1991, D. 1975. Answer is option D, 1975.
Which Indian state was formed first on linguistic basis? Option is A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C. Maharashtra.
Who was the founder of the Satyagrah Ashram at Sabarmati? Option is A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Rabindranath Tagore. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
The British colonial government enacted the Roll It Act in which year? Option is A. 1919, B. 1922, C. 1935, D. 1942. Answer is option A. 1919.
The Indian Constitution was adopted on, option is A. the 26th of January 1947, B. the 15th of August 1947, C. the 26th of November 1949, D. the 15th of January 1950. Answer is option A, the 26th of January 1947.
Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Option is A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Subhas Chandra Bose, D. Bhagat Singh. Answer is option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
The Indian state of Goa was liberated from Portuguese rule in which year? Option is A. 1956, B. 1961, C. 1971, D. 1980. Answer is option B, 1961.
Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Option is A. Annie Besant, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sucheta Kripalani. Answer is option B. Sarojini Naidu.
The Quit India movement was launched in response to, option is A. the partition of Bengal, B. the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, C. the Roll It Act, D. the failure of the Cripps mission. Answer is option C, the Roll It Act.
The first session of the Indian National Congress was held in which year? Option is A. 1875, B. 1885, C. 1895, D. 1905. Answer is option B. 1885.
Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Option is A. Sucheta Kripalani, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Mother Teresa, D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Answer is option D. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit.
The first Indian satellite, Aryabhat, was launched in which year? Option is A. 1965, B. 1975, C. 1980, D. 1985. Answer is option B. 1975.
The Mughal emperor who built the Taj Mahal was, option is A. Akbar, B. Aurangzeb, C. Shah Jahan, D. Jahangir. Answer is option C. Shah Jahan.
The Battle of Buxar took place in which year? Option is A. 1757, B. 1775, C. 1789, D. 1764. Answer is option D. 1764.
The first President of India was, option is A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer is option A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
The first Muslim ruler of Delhi was, option is A. Qutubuddin Aibak, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Babar. Answer is option A. Qutubuddin Aibak.
Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Option is A. Arunima Sinha, B. Bachendri Pal, C. Santosh Yadav, D. Tashian Ningshi Malik. Answer is option B. Bachendri Pal.
The first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal was, option is A. P.T. Usha, B. Leander Paes, C. Abhinav Bindra, D. Major Dhyan Chand. Answer is option C. Abhinav Bindra.
Who founded the city of Kolkata? Option is A. Robert Clive, B. Job Charnock, C. Warren Hastings, D. Thomas Roe. Answer is option B. Job Charnock.
The Battle of Panipat in 1526 established the foundation of, option is A. The Maratha Empire, B. The Vijayanagara Empire, C. The Mughal Empire, D. The Gupta Empire. Answer is option C. The Mughal Empire.
The British Indian Empire was divided into how many provinces? Option is A. 9, B. 11, C. 13, D. 15. Answer is option B. 11.
Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Option is A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, C. Sucheta Kripalani, D. Indira Gandhi. Answer is option D. Indira Gandhi.
Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Option is A. C.V. Raman, B. Hargobind Khorana. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Amartya Sen. Answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore.
The first Anglo-Mysore War took place in, option is A. 1767 to 1769, B. 1780 to 1784, C. 1790 to 1792, D. 1800 to 1802. Answer is option A. 1767 to 1769.
The Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO was established in which year? Option is A. 1952, B. 1962, C. 1972, D. 1982. Answer is option B. 1962.
The Simon Commission was appointed in, option is A. 1919, B. 1927, C. 1930, D. 1940. Answer is option B. 1927.
Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Option is A. Ashoka, B. Bindusara, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Brihadrata. Answer is option B. Bindusara.
The Indian Rebellion of 1857 began from which town? Option is A. Meerut, B. Delhi, C. Jhansi, D. Lucknow. Answer is option A. Meerut.
Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Option is A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer is option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.